Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to trade the ICT silver bullet properly. Everyone on YouTube is teaching it wrong. They're not teaching it in the way ICT says to teach it. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you that step A to Z, how to actually trade the silver bullet properly. Because again, you don't want to be on the wrong side of the market by listening to all of these YouTubers telling you, yep, do this, or silver bullet, boom. No. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do it straight out of ICT's words, okay? So without further ado, let's get straight into this. So a doctor, he works about 4 years in order to actually receive his degree, in order to actually make that $40,000 a year. This video will make you much more than that, and you wouldn't even need 4 years. Maximum, if you're trading the silver bullet, you would need about 90 days, and then you will become a profitable trader. So listen to me properly what I've got to say in this video. If you're not profitable yet, if you haven't passed the funded challenge yet, so you know to yourself that you're serious, and you know to yourself that yes, I'm going to make profits today, okay? So without further ado, let's get straight into this. And also like and comment or share if you do like this video, okay? So we're going to go straight through step by step what we need for the silver bullet, okay? So first of all, we need to trade at 9:30 New York local time, okay? So 9:30 New York time. And again, this is not like all of the basic silver bullet rules. I'm going to be telling you all the rules ICT says, not like these people telling you liquidity, boom, trade, okay? Every single little rule, okay? So first off, we need to be at 9:30 a.m. New York time. As you can see, if you want New York time on your chart, just press this on the bottom right, UTC -4. This is New York time. I'm going to show you an example on EURUSD, then I'm going to show you an example on SPX, because these are the two pairs which are the best, which I have seen myself, okay? So the second thing we need to do is we need to mark out highs and lows, okay? Mark out highs and lows, and this is a very important thing to do, and I'm going to tell you how to do that properly too, because I know so many people telling you, oh yeah, this is a high, this is a low. No, in this video I'm going to tell you how to do the real highs and lows, because there's loads of highs and lows in the market which might make you be in the wrong side, okay? So I'm going to show you that properly too. So the third one is look for a liquidity sweep between 9:30 and 10 a.m. okay? So if you see anything after 10 a.m. liquidity sweep, that's just not a trading day, okay? I know so many people are like, no, even if there's new liquidity throughout the range, trade it. No, okay? Listen to what I'm saying in this video and you will become profitable. So the fourth thing is look for displacement along with market structure shift. So look for displacement along with MSS. That's market structure shift, okay? And an FVG is to be created, plus FVG. And then what you're going to do in the fifth step is you're going to enter off that FVG. Extreme FVG. I'm going to tell you a little tip to do, because usually it doesn't tap into the FVG. It usually just goes boom, trade, and then you get into profit. And that's something which silver bullet people really do struggle on. So I'm going to show you something at the end of this video in order to increase the win rate, plus enter always into the trade. So the win rate and the RR will be incredible, okay? Only in the end of this video. And the sixth thing is target 1-to-1. 1-to-1 with stop at the low or high. So that's literally all the rules. So now let's start annotating and drawing this like I have mentioned right here, okay? So let's just say this is 9:30 New York time. Let's just say this is 9:30 New York time. This is 10 a.m. New York time, and this is 11 a.m. So we trade the strategy until 11 a.m. So let's just say we get something like this. So let's leave this right here. And yeah, 9:30, 10, and 11, okay? Let's make this a little bit wider. So first of all, we mark out the highs and lows before 9:30, okay? So market might do this, and then this, and then what we do is mark out the recent highs and lows. So high right here, low right here. But this is something loads of people do struggling on. Highs and lows. I'm going to tell you what I mean by highs and lows properly later on in this video, because many people are lying to you, telling you this is a high, this is a low. You need to enter off these highs and lows. No, I'll show you this properly in this video. So let me just wait for one of these highs and lows to be taken out through this range. So 9:30 to 10 o'clock. If it's after, and we form new highs and lows here, don't mark them. You have to make sure one of these get taken out before 9:30. If it gets taken out, then we start looking for the trade, but not after at 10 a.m. New York time, okay? It has to be from the 9:30 to 10 a.m. range. So right here, boom. As soon as this happens, we can literally go down and form the market structure shift after our 10 a.m. range. So market structure shift right here. After we get the market structure shift, what we're going to wait for is we're going to wait for a displacement along with market structure shift plus FVG. So what I mean by displacement is the candles which break the low to form the market structure shift, they have to be strong or weak. Some very strong or weak candles. So boom, like it absolutely comes in with strength when breaking the low or high. So, and then you're going to enter off the extreme FVG, but again, there is something which you might do which may not get you into the trade, because usually it doesn't even tap into the extreme FVG. But in this video, I'm going to tell you the one thing which you need in order to actually enter the trade every single time. Entry, extreme FVG, and then where we're going to target is literally we're only going to target a 1-to-1. Why only 1-to-1? Because the win rate for the strategy is so high and so good that you only need a 1-to-1. You can risk 2% or 3% in order to actually become profitable and make loads and loads and loads of profits in the market. So let's go straight to the chart examples which I was talking about before, right here on EURUSD. It's a very nice trade. Next I'm going to show you SPX, and SPX one might trick you a lot, so make sure you watch for that one. But before I carry on, I do want to say if you want to join the membership, it's on $50 right now, lifetime offer. It's going to end very, very, very soon and go back to its normal price of $119. I teach 2 special strategies which I'll never teach on YouTube for free, and they have much higher chance of making you profitable than this strategy right here, as they have made loads and loads and loads of other people profitable. Just to show you some proof of loads of people getting profitable right here, you can read all of this for yourself. An amazing community we have here. We don't trade any SMC concepts. I've taken ICT concepts and flipped it into my own concept also in order to make the win rate higher. You can read all of this for yourself. So many amazing testimonials and so many testimonials right here. What else there is there's one amazing indicator which can tell you 90% of the time which direction London session is going to go. And also the reason why I charge $50 is because I want to do funding opportunities in the future with the people who are in the mentorship to trade my personal capital, because I know that's when the real money comes in. $50 won't change my life, but it has a higher chance of changing your life if you join than if you don't join. It's only $50. You have to invest in yourself in order to get an output. You can't just say, well, oh yeah, I'm going to become a doctor tomorrow, without spending money into actually learning to become a doctor. You can't. So I also do one-to-one support whenever you need, 24/7, and I'll reply to everyone in the mentorship if you message me privately or through the Discord chat. And yeah, literally here's some Discord testimonials right here in the Instagrams. You can see this all yourself. Amazing results in this short period that you had the mentorship. One of the best mentorships I can say confidently, and that's literally that. And if you want to pay with crypto or PayPal or bank transfer, email me right here and I'll reply to you very quick. Join it today. You will regret not joining at this price, and it is closing very soon. The mentorship is closing extremely soon, and let's get straight back into the video for the example. Okay, so yeah, what we do right here is 9:30 till what? 9:30 till 10 o'clock. We need to see what we have to see, of course. So right here, this is 9:30. And this is 10 o'clock. Let me get this out right here. 9:30, and this is 10 o'clock. Boom. Now, through this range, we have to see market having a liquidity sweep. And look what happens. Price swept this liquidity right here. This is a high to me. You might say, well, no, that's not a high. This is a high right here. A high for the silver bullet strategy is this. This is literally a high for a silver bullet strategy. The candle before it and after it doesn't go above this high. Okay? That's literally a high for the silver bullet strategy. The candle before it and after it doesn't go above that high. So for example, this is a high right here. Why? It's because the candle before it and after it didn't go above this high. This is a low. Why? Because the candle before it and after it didn't go below this low. That's literally what a high and low is for the silver bullet strategy, and we're going to use these as liquidity points. Liquidity point right here, price takes out the liquidity. So now we dig into the 1 minute time frame and start looking for the entry, okay? So right here, price took the liquidity, never formed the market structure shift first. Price formed a new low right here, but then a new high. So now we need to look for market structure shift. Price takes out this low. I wouldn't say this displacement right here, because price took out the low and then had all of this buying pressure right here. I would like to see, for me, displacement is also when the candle closes below the low with the body. So right here, then it closed the low with the body, causing a market structure shift right here. Boom. As soon as it did this, then yeah, you just start looking for your entry off the extreme FVG right here. You don't enter off this FVG, nothing like that. Enter off the extreme FVG, which is right over here. The next example which you might trick a lot of you, so make sure you watch it till that part. And you might say to yourself, well, no, where should I have my stop loss? Where should I do that? Where should I do that? Okay, your stop loss should always be above the high. And you might also say, well, no, this is 10 o'clock. You can look for your entry after 10 o'clock. However, the liquidity sweep can't be after 10 o'clock. Stop loss above the high, which is right here. And you're literally going to target a 1-to-1. And usually for the strategy, also, if it goes in your direction, it goes in your direction. So yes, you can take some partials right here and even take profit right here after you see the momentum start slowing down with this up candle right there. Very nice 1-to-4 RR right here. And yeah, a very nice trade. Stop loss above the high, entry, exit, extreme FVG, liquidity taken, and stuff like that. So now let's go on SPX 500 and show you guys the second example. SPX 500 is the pair which ICT really does preach with the strategy. So right here, this is the example. Again, same exact thing. 5 minute time frame, we look for the liquidity sweep, okay? So where is our times? Our times is right here, 9 o'clock, 9:30, all the way till 10 o'clock, which is right here. And where did we get the liquidity sweep? So the low is right here, and the high is right here. So after price took the high, let's see if we saw a market structure shift. There you go, price took the high right here. So now we have to break the structure in order to form a market structure shift. Did it take it? It took the liquidity before 10 o'clock, so now we can start looking for a trade. No, it never formed a market structure shift. It's carry on going higher. New low formed right here. If you break this low with a body, then, or if you have some displacement, you're going to get into the trade. Boom. There you go. We broke the low with some sort of displacement right here. There you go. Extreme FVG. I would say it's right here. I mean, there is no FVG right there at the moment. So let's see if you see another one throughout the market. No, we still haven't seen it yet. It's alright. We can still look for our trade. And there you go. We see this FVG right over here. Price broke this low. FVG. Right here, stop loss above the high, and you're literally going to target 1-to-1. However, for SPX, what you're going to do is you're going to have, so the FVG is right here, so where your handles is going to be. So what handles mean is that it says a 1.58 right here, so this is 1.58 handles. Where your handles is going to be is 5 handles, which is right here. So 5 handles, boom, there you go. It says 5 handles, and your take profit is also going to be 5 handles. That's literally how it works, okay? Boom. And take profit right there. Very, very, very nice. Okay, this is literally how the silver bullet is traded properly. Many people are teaching you it in the wrong way. And again, if you want to learn 2 strategies which has been proven to make people more profitable than the silver bullet strategy, which has made loads and loads of people profitable and pass on the challenge finally, join the mentorship today. You will regret not joining at this offer price, and the offer is ending very soon. Okay, so join today in order to actually become profitable, because you have a high chance of joining and becoming profitable than someone who doesn't. So that's it for this video. Follow my Instagram at traderbills or bills_smc, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.